Navigating Business Incubation Strategies, Challenges and Opportunities HAIBA theme Livelihood Business Incubation Center AMASUNG Khongnangthaba University na SHINDUNA Nongmagi Oiba Discourse Program amang ngasi KHURAI KONSAM LEIKAI da leiba Khongnangthaba University gi Auditorium Da Pangthokhre. Thauram aduda Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation gi Director K Devdata Sharma, ACSIR CSIR NEIST Branch Imphal gi Chief Scientist Professor Haisbir Kumar, Central Agricultural University gi College of Food Technology gi Dean Professor Ngasepam Iboyaima, MSME Technology Center Imphal gi Deputy Director Dr. Sinam Yorentomba amadi Khongnangthaba University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Enjoy Kumarna maru oiba mithumlensing oina sarkyakhi. Thauram aduga mari leinana Khongnangthaba University Livelihood Business Incubation Center gi Director Dr. Eguneshwar Sharma hai Rural Based Agro Industry sing mikap thokhanduna henna khumang chawsina lawu singubagi matangda changsinbagi tangai phadaba leire masi thabakta onthokpada mari leinaba line department singsu kok chungsinnaba matam oire. Government of India gi MSME gi makhada chalairiba Rural Based Agro Industry sing asida ahenba mityeng thamduna pothok chathok hengathanba changi. Rural area singda senmitlongi chawkhatpa puraknaba amadi mipal tangdana hingnaba hotnabada Rural Based Agro Industry sing asi makhong somba changi. Lengakna mipum khudimak thabak piba ngamdrabasu ekhoina isana hotnajaduna thabak pijaba amadi senthok lambi leihanba ngami. Masimak MSME gi pandamni pandam asi thabakta onthoknabagidama Khongnangthaba University na Livelihood Business Incubation Center asi lingkhatkibani. Masigi kuthangda entrepreneur singna masa masagi sendal lambi ama semgatnaba hotnabada piba yaba mateng pumnamak pigani haina mahakna makhatana phungdokhe.
Government department mayam su leba government su center jo piraba university thakshi dai ko na tawdo ko poshe kari no ai ni adu apam masile da pata masile ko ko jelo se this university LBI Livelihood Business Incubation Center, it is a window, it is a platform to interact and meet in the tripod system. One system it is the government sectors. Masila MSME wagera, agriculture wagera, natragana horticulture wagera. Government is sector di laiba, program singuma nagla banaita. On the other hand, we need to is the entrepreneurs decision tauiba, moi kari, moi problem kari mo, dia kami lagi kari mo, finance mata bela, technology mata bela, workshop or and quality apa bela. Asyik bermayam besar, masih ekoi university ki platform masih dah itu punjam leraka, ekoi nak piba yaba, apa so, mayam tu bukan connect tau bayana na bagi platform tu ni.